Good morning, Georgians. Welcome to online class, Internet Part 2. So last time we have seen the introduction part, basic internet terms and conditions, and I have shared a link with you. Now the second part is based on sending email. For that you should create an email ID and then how it's going to work. Okay, so email. Generally email or Gmail, you can say little differences are there. Gmail has more features compared to email. Opening an email account. First thing, you should know how to open an email account. For that, what generally we have to do, we have to go to a website, then sign up. Sign in is different. Sign up for the first time, then you have to fill your personal details, and then finally you are creating an ID and password for it. After creating ID and password, you have to log in or sign in. Then finally you have open an email account. Receiving email. Generally the people who are sending you email, when you receive, just like in your mobile phone when you receive WhatsApp messages, the same way email is receiving. When you are sending emails, many of you are sending your, you can say, the projects with the help of email to your respective subject teacher. So that is called sending email. Forwarding email. Forwarding, you have received some mail you want to send to someone else, so you can forward that same mail to someone else. Unknown emails are there, or so many emails are there in your inbox, so you want to delete that. So for that you are using the option called deleting email. Replying email. Suppose you have received an email and you want to give a reply to it, so you are typing the reply, just like WhatsApp messages. Okay, Instagram, you are replying. Attaching files to email. Suppose you have written a project of, you can say, 11 pages, so you will click picture and make a PDF folder to it, then you are attaching the file to the email. After completing all this process, finally you are doing logging out of an account. That means you log out, right? So that no one else can use your account. That is called logout. Okay, so I'm uploading a link where practically you can see how to open, receive, send, forward, delete, reply, attach, and log out. All these features you can see it in the link which I'm sharing with you. This is a practical based lesson. Nothing is there much to explain in this. Okay, so I'm sharing the link. Please watch it. Otherwise, you will never learn how to open an email account. Keep in mind.